Hello, fellow YouTubers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add timestamps to your YouTube videos. Timestamps are a great way to help viewers navigate through long videos and find specific sections quickly. So, let's jump right in. First, log into your YouTube account and navigate to the YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, navigate to the Video Manager section. Now, find the video you want to add timestamps to and click on its title to open the video editor. Once you're in the video editor, look for the description box below the video preview. This is where we'll be adding our timestamps. To add a timestamp, you'll need to enter the time in minutes and seconds format. I've actually already created my time codes, and I am just going to go ahead and add this right here towards the bottom, and I am going to paste that onto here. So I've added in my time codes into my description. Once you've added the timestamps, make sure to provide a brief description for each of them. This will help viewers understand what each section of the video is about. After you've entered the timestamps and their descriptions, click on the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully added timestamps to your YouTube video. Now, when viewers watch your video, they'll be able to click on the timestamps in the description to jump directly to those specific sections. That's it for today's tutorial on adding timestamps to your YouTube videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more related videos like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.